Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience, and if you are new here, I want to say a big welcome. Here I make videos of my garden and event decoration. I know those two are not friends, but those are the things that I'm most interested in. So if you are interested in any of them, stay tuned. I harvested a lot of spring onions or green onions from my garden, and in this video I'll be showing you how to preserve them or how I preserve them. Like you can see from this video, I'm just washing my spring onions, but before doing that I made sure that my sink was very clean and well sterilized before I put my spring onions in it to wash. So I make sure that I shake it well, take out all the sand, and take out any dirt that I came from the garden with, like the grass or any stems, any sticks, any insects, anything that you can imagine that can come from the garden. So I take that out. So when I'm harvesting this, I just harvest everything along. Like you can see here, I harvested them with some parsley and celery. So I'm just going to put those aside, and then I'll take care of them in the same manner once I'm done with my green onions. So now that I'm done washing it the first time, I'll just go on to clean my working surface, and then I'm going to give my spring onions a very good rinse. So now in rinsing it, or while rinsing it a second time, I'm going to make sure that I take out any dirt. I'll pay more attention this time to make sure that anything that was left before will go out. Okay, so I'm just paying more attention. I'm going to take out all the dead ends. I'm going to make sure that my water is very clean before I start chopping. So yeah, I'm just taking out the dead ends. I'll cut them up, take them out, make sure that the water is clean, there's no sand in there, and then I'll move on to chop. Yeah guys, so like you can see, I'm just chopping them in very good sizes that can go in any dish. I actually love this in my omelette. Every morning when I'm making omelets for breakfast, I just run to the garden and then I harvest a few and I put in my omelette. It gives it a heavenly flavor. And the good thing about green onions is that it can resist the weather, it can resist the winter. So I always have it in my garden. That way I always have something to put in my food, in my breakfast in the morning, or my omelette. That's what I take for breakfast mainly. Okay guys, so once we are done chopping it, we are going to put them in Ziploc bags, and then we are going to put them in the freezer. So I don't only use this in omelets, I'm keeping in the freezer. That way when I'm cooking something like rice or frying my huckleberry jama, as you already know, if you haven't watched the videos on huckleberry or how I plant them, how I cultivate it, how I do everything with huckleberry, guys, don't forget to check that out. I'm going to put a link of my huckleberry vegetable down below in the description box. Yeah, so that is it. We are done chopping our onions, and I'm going to grab my Ziploc bag, and then I'll scoop my spring onions and I'll put them in there. That was just to help me to make the process easier. You can just use anything that can help you to put it in the bag easily. That's fine. So yeah guys, once you are done, put it in the freezer, and then you can eat it in the next couple of months. So I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that it was able to inspire you. If it was, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Sharing is caring. Share the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.